Hi! Welcome to IELTS Preparation for Beginners. Hope you saw our other videos about IELTS test. If you did not, you can view it now, or later. The link of the videos are in the below description. Today, we discuss about IELTS writing section. While taking the IELTS academic exam, you need different approach for each of the sections. There are 4 sections in the writing part. So, for the writing section in particular, you need to know the rules of writing and structure of writing. That means how you write reflects how you process your thoughts. In order to develop your writing style, you need to stick to the rules and, of course, practice writing a lot. Here we explain the writing section of the IELTS in detail. Total duration of the writing section is 60 minutes. The writing section of IELTS academic exam includes 2 tasks. Topics are of general interest and can range among varied topics. The topics are suitable for candidates entering undergraduate and postgraduate studies or seeking professional registration. Task 1. In Task 1, you will be presented with a graph, table, chart or diagram, and you are asked to describe, summarize or explain the information in your own words. Sometimes, they may be asked to describe and explain the data, or describe the stages of a process, or how something works, or describe an object or event. Remember, the main purpose of this task is to see how well a student assimilates or absorbs information, and is able to put that understanding in his own words. Time allotted for this task is 20 minutes. And word limit is 150 words. Task 2. Here, you are asked to write an essay, in response to a point of view, or sometimes argument or problem. It is better that responses to all the tasks must be in a formal style. The standpoint of your writing should ideally be neutral, because this is an exercise where there are no correct or wrong answers. Hope you got it. But rather the focus is on the correct style of writing. So the correct style of writing is what we need here. The time allotted here is 40 minutes and the word limit is 250 words. Lastly, a few tips for writing. First of all, before writing an essay, you must know its basic structure. So how do you get that? A book about essay writing will help you understand the structure and format of essays better. Secondly, attempt Task 2 first. Because it is worth more marks and I hope it is comparatively easier. Thirdly, do not waste a lot of time on Task 1. Learn all the specific writing structure for each type of Task 1. In the real test, you just have to apply that structure with new data and suitable verb tenses. It will be easy. Read sample essays and take note of the ones with good structure to have a wide range of academic structures for Task 1. Some structures might be used in the Task 2 as well. Writing requires good vocabulary. Consult a dictionary to look up the meaning and usage of new words to enrich your vocabulary. 4th tip. Avoid informal writing. There are some rules of writing you should follow. If you follow that, you will definitely succeed the test. Next tip is, each body paragraph has to include the following: 1. The topic sentence, 2. Supporting sentences, probably 2 to 3 sentences, and 3. Development of sentences by including example, experience, and data. Finally, understand the test rules and format. Practice sample questions. Do both the 2 tasks in 1 hour. You can focus only on Task 1 or Task 2, but before the test, you should practice writing both tasks to get familiar with time limits. That's all for today's session. Stay tuned for more videos. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button. And share the video to your friends. Good luck!